QuoteValet webhooks let you send real-time events into other systems. In this example, we're going to trigger a notification in Google Chat when a customer posts a question on a QuoteValet quote. The goal is simple. When a customer asks a question or leaves feedback, your team sees it immediately in chat instead of relying on an email or someone manually checking the quote. We'll start with a very basic text notification so you can see how this works and get it running quickly. Then we'll step it up and build a more polished card-style message with structured details. I'll include both JSON examples in the description so you can copy and modify them as needed. And once you understand the pattern, you can reuse it for other QuoteValet events, like when a quote is viewed, accepted, or a payment is made. Or even send the same type of notifications to Slack or Microsoft Teams. So let's go ahead and build this. So I like to use Google Chat as an example because it's really easy to work with. The first thing we have to do is create a webhook if you haven't already done so in Google Chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Google Chat, and I have a space set up. This could be going to a specific person or an existing space that you already have as well. As you can see, this is private and it's only got me in it. So what we're going to do though is we're going to click on the little down caret here with QuoteValet messages, and then we're going to go to apps and integrations. From here, you'll see webhooks, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on add webhooks, and then we just have to give it a name. And you'll notice that we do have documentation here. I definitely recommend taking a look at it because it does talk about the different formats of JSON that you need to send to Google Chat. So what we'll do here is we'll do QuoteValet comment. And you can include an avatar URL if you want to. I'm not going to do that in this case. We'll click on save. And now we have the URL all set up for the webhook. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the ellipsis button there, and then click on copy link. And then I'm going to go over to webhooks, and I'm going to click on new. From here, we're just going to give this a name. In this case, we'll say Google Chat comment. And then for the events, you can do any event you want. Like you can do any QuoteValet event. We've done examples of that. But in this case, we're going to do a question that's posted by a customer. You could also do another one very similar when it's posted by the sales rep as well. In this case, though, we're just going to do by customer. Method is going to be post. And then we're going to go ahead and paste that URL that we copied. You can see it's quite lengthy. Just leave it alone. Nothing else to do. And in this case, we don't have to put any headers in. We're going to leave the body type of JSON. And then if you remember, we can click on the little magic wand here, and this will give us some sample JSON. But unfortunately, we have to actually give Google Chat some specific formatting. So, but you can take a look at here and see some of the examples that we've got. I'm going to copy and paste some JSON that I have, and this will be in the message body. I'm sorry, in the video body, so you can do this yourself. But you'll notice that what we've got is we've got text that's going to be coming across to Google Chat with QuoteValet, the document number, with who posted it, along with the message. So it's a very simple message. So let's go ahead and see how that works. We'll just click on save, and just like that, it's ready to go. So if I go to the quote, any quote, and I'm pretending I'm a customer, obviously, and we can say first message from Google Chat, and click on submit. And you'll notice that my Google message alert happened. So if we go back over here to the main message, you'll notice that we have the quote number, my name because I was acting as the customer, and then we've actually got the body there from that message. So just like that, you know that it happened. You could include the date and time if you want to, but since this is Google Chat, it's already there for you in the message, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So let's go ahead and actually make this a little bit more interesting now. Let's go back to our webhooks and edit that comment JSON. And again, we're going to have some structured data that is in the message that we're going to be having in the message. I'm sorry, the YouTube description. But what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and paste this in. You can see there's quite a bit in here, but let's see what's going to happen here. So let's delete this. So what we've got now is we've got a title that's going to be happening, a subtitle. We're even going to have an image, the customer message, and then to make things even better, we're going to have a link that we can click on to actually go ahead and respond to this message. So we'll go ahead and click on save, and then we go back over to the quote, and this should be more interesting. And click on submit. See, we've got our message already, and just like that, we've got that image that I was talking about. We know that it was QuoteValet, and the quote number was this. The customer posted a question. The customer was me with Aspire Technologies, along with their comment. So now what I can do as the sales rep, I can click on this button here. I can log in if I'm not already logged in, and I can respond back saying, yes, it should. and just like that, I'm responding to the customer in real time. I didn't have to wait for an email. I didn't have to be checking the quote. And again, this could be really anything. This could be sending it out to your accounting team whenever you receive any sort of payment, or to your operations team whenever a quote moves forward. So there's lots of things that you can do with webhooks in QuoteValet. So this should give you a taste for it, and we'll have more examples moving forward. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 407-248-1481. Thank you and have a great day.